In this video today, guys, I'm going to be talking about, in this content creation tutorial, about how to make a great Twitch channel. You guys have probably already seen how my Twitch channel about section actually looks like. In this video today, I'm actually going to show you guys what my Twitch about section actually looks like, and I'll give you guys some pretty specific tools that I use that actually help me create the panels and all the other stuff. Actually, will go into my stuff as well. So here is my Twitch channel. This is my about section. This is my whole entire Twitch channel that you guys have previously seen when you guys watch my channel. So here is my Twitch channel. So got my about section. Still really pretty much clear about section, which I would give you guys advice is to fill out a really good about section just to let people know who you are and what you make and what you cook, just to get people to really follow you and understand what they're expecting on your channel. So definitely go with pretty detailed about you and everything. Just tell who you are and what you do, and just give them that clear answer to get people to actually. So, if you do have a really hard time trying to figure that out, there's always ChatGPT, which that's what I actually use to fill out really important information. So, definitely take advantage of that if you get stuck of making up one. But if you have a consistent thinking of writing about an about section, definitely go for it. It is definitely going to really help try to bring people to. So here is my panels. So this is my about me section, just to write a little bit about me, everything. Stream schedule. Just the stream schedule is really important, guys. You should always stick to a stream schedule that works for you. Balance everything around it, life privileges and everything. I know a lot of people do non-strict schedules, which that's totally fine, but sticking to a stream schedule is really going to help you, and it's going to make you more consistent. So definitely fill out a little bit of the stream schedule over here. It'll definitely help you out a lot. Let people know when you're next time going to be live, so definitely do it. But yeah, how I made all these panels, I used Nerd or Die is what I actually use. They have like 3 panels that you can actually download for free, which I'll have it down and below it in my YouTube video description. So definitely check out Nerd or Die. You can also check out Canva. Canva also makes Twitch panels for free as well, so definitely take a look into them as well. Those are the tools I actually use to make these panels, but I actually found these on Nerd or Die for free, so definitely check out Nerd or Die. Definitely will give you free panels just to go with the design and just download them and you're ready to go. This is my Elephant Zoe logo as well, which I actually designed that with Canva, which I did discuss that with you guys. My sponsors, stream schedule right there, and just all the rest of my other panels. And definitely add some Twitch extensions. Twitch extensions are always going to be really helpful as well. Like Pokemon Community Game is a really good one that I use. You can actually find them in the Twitch extension. I might show you guys in that how to find that, but overall, I use the Pokemon Community Game, which is really useful as well. Sound alerts, which people can use bits or without bits or with channel points that people can use. That's what I use as well. Just all my sponsors, my merchandise, and Streamlabs All-Star thing. Just to be with. But yeah, that's pretty much how my channel is pretty much laid out. So hopefully that about section actually helps you out. Make a really great Twitch channel. And then some other things I want to discuss. If you just want to start out making a logo, you can always Because how I mostly got my logo, I worked with a bunch of graphic designers that I used to work with, and they made me the logo and everything. And I had a bunch of friends that really helped me get the logos and everything, and the emotes and everything when I became a Twitch affiliate. But for my advice to actually start out, I would definitely make a logo either on the websites I did mention, Nerd or Die, and Canva. But Canva is probably the best way to go because all Nerd or Die you have to pay to get a logo. But with Canva, you can actually make a logo as well, or you can use Own.3D Pro also as well to make a logo. So there's a lot of good websites out there that you can make your own logo, but if you want a free one, definitely go with Canva. Canva is definitely the one I would recommend if you want to start redeveloping your brand. And definitely for a background as well that I actually use as well. Definitely use Canva as well. But all this stuff I really made was mostly from a graphic designer. But there's a lot of good graphic designers out there if you want to really pay for people to really do it, but you really can't do it and are like a really on tight budget. Definitely go with Canva. I would definitely recommend them. I definitely would do it. So that's my general advice on how to make a good Twitch channel. Let me know if I did a really good job, and if you want me to dive more into this topic, let me know below in the comments. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is Nerd the Gaming Away here. We'll see you guys in another All Things Zoe YouTube channel upload.